All right, this is very simple to debunk this theory of gravity everyone keeps talking about. This flat earth debate, the global debate, the heliocentric model debate. It's real simple. Why can nobody find the force of gravity? Why can nobody explain it? Because it doesn't exist. It's a theory. The simple fact is, the scientific proof that explains theory is simply buoyancy. Okay, so why does a bigger apple not attract a smaller apple? If we go with the heliocentric model and their description of gravity itself, then a small apple should be attracted to a big apple. That doesn't happen. It's never going to happen. But what we do see is if you're a diver, you learn buoyancy, as I have. And buoyancy states that a more dense object will sink when it's more dense than the medium around it. So, like water, if you're in there and I am more dense than water, I will sink. Okay? Other people who float to the surface of the water are less dense than the water they are in. And if you are equal, if you are neutral to the water or the medium, your environment that you're in, you will be suspended. You will not go up nor down without propulsion. Okay? Now, I don't know what the disconnect is from underwater to on the land. It's the same idea. It's the same science. You were in the air at this point. You were in the atmosphere, the air. It has a certain density to it. Our bodies are more dense than the air. Therefore, we sink to the bottom, which is Earth. Okay? Just like a balloon, if you put an empty balloon in your hand and drop it, it will fall to the ground. Okay? Now, if you put air in the balloon, it will fall slower. Why? Because it's now more neutral. It's more equalized to the air around it because it's filled with the same medium that it is in, the same environment. It only falls because the rubber is more dense. Now, if you put helium in it, which is less dense than the air, less dense than the medium or the environment, it will rise, despite the fact that the rubber is still there, because it has enough buoyancy to raise the rubber within the medium or environment, which is the atmosphere or air. Okay? It's a very simple explanation. If people want to defy so-called gravity, you simply build a vehicle or any structure that is less dense than air, and it will rise. Just like if you take a cup with air in it, hold it top down, take it underwater, turn it over, the air will rise till it gets to the surface because it's less dense than the medium it's in, the environment. Just like if you take a cup of water and stand on the earth, on the ground, in the air, and tilt it over, it will sink. It will fall to the ground and splatter all over the ground. Why? Because it's more dense than the air that it's in. This is how it works. I don't know why everybody can't figure it out. There is no theory of gravity. It is a proven scientific fact of buoyancy. That is it. Nothing more. There's your crushed and debunked theory of so-called gravity in under 4.5 minutes. Thank you.